Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we were going to make styrofoam cutter. Now we will make it. For that you will need 2 big ice cream stick and 2 small ice cream stick, and we have to stick the small ice cream stick on big ice cream stick. You can see this, I had stick it. Now we have to take 2 empty refills and stick on the big ice cream stick with the help of tape. You can see this, I had done it. Now we will take 2 pieces of wire and put inside the refill. First one I had put, and another one also we have to put it. You can see this. Now we have to take 12-volt adapter and connect any terminal with the wire which we put inside the refill. Now we have to taping it. Now we have to take nichrome wire and connect on the front of our styrofoam cutter's wire. You can see this, I had connect it, and now we will test it. First we will do taping here, and I will connect it. You can see this styrofoam, and we will test styrofoam is cutting or not. It is cutting.
Hope you like this video, so like, share, comment and subscribe. We will meet you in our next video with new topic.